See you, chump.
Don't be shy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Flicks with Feel. Today I'll show you how to make a smooth reverse and microwave edit like AE in the CapCut. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, arrange your clips to match the beat. Go to the first clip, then speed section, open the curve, switch to custom, delete the 3 middle dots. Set the first dot at 1 and the second one dot is 0.1x. Trim the extra part of the clip up to the beat. Then shorten the clip to half of that beat length. Duplicate the clip and then reverse it. Now go to the first clip, add a keyframe at the start and end. Then increase the zoom on the last keyframe as you like. Same with second clip also. Match the properties according to the first clip in the second. Keep the zoom equal on the both clips. Add the graph. Quad out for first clip. And cubic in for the second. Repeat the same process for the rest of the clips. Go to the speed setting for all clips and set them to better quality for smooth playback. In the last, add a white flash effect to the clip, just like I'm doing. And your edit is ready to export. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if it helped you, make sure to subscribe for more edit tutorial like this. Goodbye.